Welcome to the part 2 of Basics of Maths. Here we are going to learn about addition of two-digit numbers. Already we learned about addition of single-digit numbers or one-digit numbers. So please do watch that video, and after that you watch this video so that it will be easier for you to understand this. Addition of two-digit numbers we are going to learn. I am taking two-digit numbers in this 10 plus 10. I am taking 10 plus 10 because these are the two-digit numbers. I am adding unit digits, then I am adding tens digit. 1 plus 1, 2. 10 plus 11. Unit digits are, instead of solving the problems in this conventional method, don't follow that method. Use this shortcut method. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 10 plus 12. Add unit digits, then tens digits. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here we go with the next one. 10 plus 13. 10 plus 13. 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 10 plus 14. 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 10 plus 15. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. 25. Don't follow that method. It takes time. Let's proceed with the next numbers. 10 plus 16. 6 plus 0, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 10 plus 17. 7 plus 0, 7. 1 plus 1, 2. 27. 10 plus 18. 8 plus 0, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. 28. 10 plus 19. 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. I'm taking one more number. 10 plus 20. 0 plus 0, that is 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 30 is the answer. This is how we have to add two-digit numbers. Let's proceed with the next type of numbers. Next set of numbers where I'm going to take again two-digit numbers. Let us take 10, 11 plus 10, 12 plus 11 plus 11, 11 plus 12, 11 plus 13, 11 plus 14, 11 plus 15 is equal to I'm adding these numbers. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 21. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 22. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 23. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 24. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. 25. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 26. 11 plus 16, 11 plus 17, 11 plus 18, 11 plus 19, 11 plus 20. I'm adding 6 plus 1, 7, 1 plus 1, 2, 27 is the answer. 7 plus 1, 8, 1 plus 1, 2, 28, 8 plus 1, 9, 1 plus 1, 2, 29, 9 plus 1, 10, 10, it's very important, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Remember this, it is very important. 0 plus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 0 plus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 31 is the answer. This is how we are adding two-digit numbers in one step only. Let's proceed with the next set of numbers. 41 plus 51. 41 plus 52, 42 plus 53, 43, 42 plus 54. I am taking the numbers randomly, two-digit numbers. I need to add these two-digit numbers. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 4, 93. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9, 95. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 4, 9, 96. 43 plus 55. 43 plus 56. 44 plus 57. 45 plus 58. Just I am taking the random numbers just to make you understand. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. That is 98. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 99 is the answer. 7 plus 4, 11. Remember this, we got carry 1. So 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 101 is the answer. Remember this is very important. 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry 1 again. Carry 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 103 is the answer. This is how we have to add two-digit numbers. Just I am taking the numbers randomly. You can take any two-digit numbers. You can try on your own. Let's proceed with the next set of numbers. 61 plus 71. 62 plus 72. 63 plus 73. 64 plus 74. 65 plus 75 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. 7 plus 6, 13. 132 is the answer. 2 plus 2, 4. 7 plus 6, 13. 134. 3 plus 3, 6. 7 plus 6, 13. 136. 4 plus 4, 8. 7 plus 6, 13. 138. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. We need to add the carry. 140 is the answer. Now 66 plus 76. 67 plus 77. 68 plus 78. 69 plus 79. 70 plus 80. Let's add these numbers and see the result. 6 plus 6, 12. Carry 1. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 142 is the answer. 7 plus 7, 14. Carry 1. 7 plus 6, 13. Plus 1, 14. 144 is the answer. 8 plus 8, 16. Carry 1. 7 plus 6, 13. Plus 1, 14. 146. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry 1. 7 plus 6, 13. Plus 1, 14. 148. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 5, 15. 150 is the answer. These are the results of adding two-digit numbers. I am rubbing these results. I am taking new set of numbers. You can take any numbers. Now I am taking 81 plus 91. 82 plus 92. 83 plus 93. 84 plus 94. 85 plus 95 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. 9 plus 8, 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. 172. 2 plus 2, 4. 9 plus 8, 17. 3 plus 3 is 6, 9 plus 8 17, 176, 4 plus 4 8, 9 plus 8 17, 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, 9 plus 8 17, plus 1 18, 180 is the answer. 86 plus 96, 87 plus 97, 88 plus 98, 89 plus 99, 90 plus 99. I'm taking only two digit numbers, remember that. 6 plus 6 12, carry 1, 9 plus 8 17, plus 1 18, 182, 7 plus 7 14, carry 1, 9 plus 8 17, plus 1 18, 184, 8 plus 8 16, carry 1, 9 plus 8 17, plus 1 18, 186, 9 plus 9 18, carry 1, 9 plus 8 17, plus 1 18, 188, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 9 18, 189 is the answer. This is how we have to add any two digit numbers. Let me teach you the next type of set of addition of two digit numbers. I am taking randomly two digit numbers, 12 plus 99. Any numbers I am taking, 38 plus 98, 47 plus 86, 57 plus 78. I'm choosing these numbers randomly. 9 plus 2 is 11, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 1, 11, 111. 8 plus 8, 16, carry 1. 9 plus 3, 12, plus 1, 13, 136 is the answer. 6 plus 7, 13, carry 1. 8 plus 4, 12, plus 1, 13, 133. 8 plus 7, 15, carry 1. 7 plus 5, 12, plus 1, 13. 135 is the answer. Take other two digit numbers. 89 plus 93, 12 plus 73, 29 plus 49, 37 plus 96, 3 plus 9 12, carry 1. 9 plus 8 17, plus 1 18, 3 plus 2 5, 7 plus 1 8, 9 plus 9 18, carry 1. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 78, 6 plus 7 13, carry 1. 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 1 13, 133 is the answer. This is addition of one digit number, therefore addition of one digit is very important. If you want to be perfect in addition, you should learn about how to add one digit numbers.